everyone, I'm Lauren. Today I'm going to be showing you the NYU Shanghai Residence Halls. In our gated community, there are 3 towers, Tower 2, 3, and 4. Come on over and I'll show you around. So every tower has a 24/7 security guard that will always be here to help you. Hi, Carl. In order to get into the dorms, you'll have to use your NYU Shanghai ID card. Only students that are assigned to this particular residence hall will be able to gain access into the building. If you don't have an ID card and you're a guest, you can sign in here on the guest list. Let's go look at a room. So on every floor, there's about 20 to 25 residents living there. There's about 2 rooms to every 1 bathroom. There's also a kitchen on every floor and a washer and dryer on every other floor. Right now, we're going to check in with my really good friend, Kyle. He's going to show us the standard double at the Jinqiao Residence Halls.
So this is where I sleep, and this is where my roommate sleeps. We have a bunk bed together. Over here, you can see we have my coffee table. So if I'm just interested in like chillaxing on the floor or reading a book, or just sitting on my laptop and eating dinner, I'll use this coffee table as it's a pretty soft space to sit on. Over here is my windowsill, so you can see I have some plants and some books, but a lot of times I'll also just sit on my windowsill and work on homework or read my book or use my laptop because it's a great place to sit and we have a good view of this background neighborhood area. Other than that, you can see over here I have my extra storage space for some food and for some like moisturizer and stuff I need in case I have to use it. And over here is my desk and my roommate's desk. So you can see I have my laptop and my camera and my phone. So if I have to use this outside of library time, I'll just go to the library and then I'll come back and finish my work here before going to bed. And then over here, lastly, is my air purifier and my trash can. So my air purifier keeps the room air quality clean. So over here is my wardrobe and where I store my toiletries on top. So you can see in here that I have all of my clothes except for my winter clothes, which I store underneath my bed. And then over here we have my roommate's wardrobe and also these Carrefour bags on top where I store extra things. Carrefour is a great place nearby where you can get like a bunch of extra toiletries and a bunch of things you need for living in Shanghai. And lastly, over here we have my, basically this is my laundry bag, and over here is my coats that I use in case it's raining or cold, so we have a nice rack. And other than that, I wish you have a good time in Shanghai. This room's pretty comfy and I enjoyed it a lot.
So now let's take a peek into one of the common rooms at Jinqiao. Common rooms are a great place to hang out with friends, grab something to eat, or do some homework after a long day at school. A lot of times, a lot of students will come here, so it's a great place to learn about people from different backgrounds. As you know, NYU Shanghai has a 50-50 Chinese international student base, so there's a lot of different cultures you can learn about. Your RA, or resident assistant, will also often hold some events here, so you can learn about fun things like candle making, wax tablet making, or vegan brownies. So every floor has its own kitchen. A lot of students choose to buy groceries at the mall across the street and cook their own food. Every kitchen has a nice big fridge. There's not a lot in it right now, but there's a lot of space. And some basic other appliances. So come on in, follow me. There's a stovetop, and the stove actually has a built-in safety measure, so if you're not standing right here, it automatically turns off. So it cuts down on fire possibilities. There's also a sink, a water purifier, a rice cooker, a microwave. These are all really great things because you can cook a lot of different meals like pasta, omelets, stir fries. You have a lot of room to explore your culinary creativity. There's also, provided by the school, some basic other kitchen supplies like pots, pans, bowls, and spoons. You can use those, or a lot of students also choose to buy their own. Every other kitchen also has a washer and dryer set. So when you come to the school, you get a laundry bag and a laundry card. And you can put your laundry in the bag and bring it here and load some money on the card, and then it pays for your washing and drying. You have to buy your own detergent though. As you can see here, every floor has plenty of sinks. They go all the way down the hall as well. The toilet is right here, and then back here is the shower. Now there are plenty of showers on every floor and sinks. You never have to wait for anything. The showers are bright, clean, and very spacious. So now we're in the resource center at the bottom of Tower 2. Come on and I'll show you around. So right here is the laundry card refill station. So the laundry card that I mentioned earlier, when you run out of money on it, you can come here and they'll help you refill it. Over here is the resource center itself. If you buy any packages, you can pick them up here. Also, if you lock yourself out of your room, the RAs here will help you get back in.
Hey Lauren, I'm an RA here, Denzel. If you ever lock yourself out of your room, come over and we'll help you out.
Hi Lauren, hi guys, I'm Ding, I'm the summer assistant here. If you need to check out your package, please come here.
Thanks guys! So now we're in the Mac lab. We have a lot of computers here that you can use at any time. If you're ever in your room and you want to come down to check something really quick, you can use these computers here. There's also a printer here that you can use 24/7.